Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you back here to our channel. I'm Simon Gunn, and today is Monday. Today here, ladies and gentlemen, we're tuning in here in order to go ahead with our, how can I say, can call it training. Yes, because we're here to learn how to trade. So we can call this a new session of training, because we're not here to make money yet. We're not making money here. We're learning how to trade. We want to remind you guys. That is why we're taking a small quantity every day, every single day, in order to, to practice what we're learning, ladies and gentlemen. So before I move forward, our channel is bilingual. Let me welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Gon et aujourd'hui c'est lundi. Lundi soir ici et nous approchons déjà de 19h moins 7 minutes ici, temps de New York. Alors je suis très heureux d'être ici une fois de plus ce soir. Comme rappel, notre but ici c'est d'apprendre à trade. Nous ne sommes pas en train de faire l'argent, mais nous apprenons à trade. Donc pour ces raisons, nous vous encourageons à trade avec l'argent que vous ne devez pas être tout peu. Voilà, une petite quantité d'argent si possible. Trade dans le démo account. Donc, nous allons commencer par les analyses de nos trades aujourd'hui. Trader, we are going to start with analysis. So let's go with the daily chart. We want to see that our trade yesterday, we thought it was going down, but it didn't. It placed now another green candle. So it went up yesterday. We thought we are going down. So I thought that we're going down, but we're not. We pull back up, trader. So let me see. Here our daily chart, trader. Look like we're bouncing up. So this evening we can see maybe a pullback or a continuation up. Upside continuation is possible based off our daily chart. Trader, yesterday I didn't know that we could have this pullback up, but we trade yesterday. We started very well, and at the end we mess up. A lot of mess up for yesterday trade. I can't say the process wasn't quite good, but it happens. Sometimes it happens. So you can accept it. It happens sometimes. Today we're going to improve. Going to improve our trade, the quality of our trade. We gotta, it won't happen overnight, I know, but we can try to do our best, ladies and gentlemen. So we see our daily chart here. We're looking at our trade for the upside. We already go up. Also, we will not hesitate to check also our trade for the downside. So let me now go to our 4 hours. We see how we went up in 4 hours consolidation. We're already on the resistance here. So resistance 4 hours. That is how we look at our 4 hours trader. So we are going now also to check our 5 minutes. Comme je disais, nos trades sont sur la résistance 4, Voilà, la résistance ici. Donc, nous sommes déjà à la résistance et nous allons voir ce que nos trades feront cet après-midi. Alors, nous allons regarder nos trades. Si dans la mesure où ça ne marche pas, nous pourrons suivre la direction du trend. Voilà. Donc, let's see. So, we're waiting 7. Watching our trade. So I'm checking to see those trade. I will take them for the downtrend here and I will place my stop above trader. That is what I'm planning to do. But we need to wait for 7. What we have yesterday. So let's watch and see. It's already 7. Edge is never ici, trader. On va voir. If our trade come below the 20, I'll go short. It's like a Canadian because this is one of my setup below 20. I'm taking this one for the short and placing my stop here, trader. Taking my first trade. Anything coming below the 20? Let's see. I'm just in one trade. Let's see. Canadian Japanese. So, trader, I hope you guys are hearing me now. Okay. This is the resistance here. I'm trying to see, if you don't hear me very well properly, you can let me know. So, waiting to see. I'll trade. I'm in one trade only. Canadian Japanese for short, because we already go to the. Okay. I'm going to see if I can go short on Australia Japanese as well. I'm taking this one as well. I gotta wait the other guys being above, below the 20. You see my candle here. I'm taking all my trade for the short. I know maybe it's a little bit earlier, but prefer to do it. That's the resistance I'm taking. If it break, I'll be out of the trader with a loss. Took a short. My target is here. $150. My target. Let's see. The reason I'm taking this trade for short right away is the bit of the we saw the how the market did. We are here on the resistance. We know we can break the resistance and continue up, but it's a little bit difficult, but it's not impossible. I'm just guessing. Let's see. You're watching. Tu es dans 6 trades maintenant. C'est parce qu'il va continuer vers le haut. Let's watch. Trading is patient, trader. Sorry. Especially this evening session, Tokyo and Australia, those are slow session. They don't move much, like London and US, which start at 8:30, 9 in the morning. So when we are trading those session today evening, we have to be patient. We exercise patience. Patience is very, very important. Very important. I chose it. It's not because I like it, but I chose it because that is what I have. That is the only session I can trade because I have to work. I have to look for bread, or food for my family. That is why. So the option I had was just those 2 sessions, Sydney and Tokyo. That is what I'm trading right now. I need to exercise patience, traders. Not easy. And I don't recommend you guys also to quit your job for trading. Trading, you can, especially when you trade Forex or future, you may find your own, schedule. Make it happen. You go there and look for your daily bread, and you come over, come back home, and you set your, your setup. Let's call it like that. Computer and whatever, and now you can trade whenever you want. You don't have to quit your job to do that, because trading is, very, very risky endeavor. You need to practice for a long time in order to become a profitable trader. Never ever give up. That is what we're trying to do here. No matter the outcome, we are here. We are here trading, learning how to trade. And when you are learning something, you got to understand that you got to have up and down. So how it is. It doesn't mean that some people cannot make it quick. There are people who made it 6 months, they start earning money. Those are special people. I'm not among them, man. I want to say thank you for those who always assist us, tuning with us together. Every day they hear, even those, some I don't know their name, I don't know their face, but I'm very grateful for the assistance, for the participation. Sometimes you guys participate. Especially, I want to thank Chelsea. She always tune in on time. We're grateful for her effort. And also those maybe who don't know, always tune in here. I want to say them thank you as well. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll see, we'll meet, or we'll know each other. I know you guys knows me. You guys knows me very well. So anyway, trader, our trade are trying to turn red. Here, trying. Hopefully, we'll see it break down, continuation down. We'll see. Yeah, trading is not easy, man. Anyway, any good things in this world, every good things, they are difficult, very, very difficult. The problem is that people don't like to spend time to learn. People like just to earn things, get it quickly as possible. People don't want to waste time. But I encourage you guys to be patient, spending time. Very, very, very important, trader. Our trade are reversing, which is great. Like to see that. So reversing, I need to try. I put it a little bit so that you guys can check it properly. Because before you even trade, you have to learn how the software works. Gotta learn how your software works. Very important. But people don't even want to learn how the software works. They're not there to spend the time. They tell you they're there to make money. Period. So great. See a great reversal here. Nice. Like to see that, trader. Let's watch in. We are here on the 50 already on Euro Japanese and also on China. China here we are on 50 and Euro Japanese. Want to see it below 50? Great. US Japanese want it to come down. Trader. Nice. Want to see a continuation. Want to see China here. Let's see. We don't want to see a rejection. Trader. We already hit the 50 here. So nice. Trader. Nice. Want to see pull down. Continuation. Nice. Nice. One push again. One push. One push again. Want to see it to reach to our target. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take my profit already in some area here. Let me see. I gotta start taking my profit here, trader. It's not bad here. Nice move. Because I'm scaring that it might drive back. It's good. It's not bad. This is a good move. Good move here. I'm trying to take a long position right away on this, trader. Taking a long position back. I know it's not quite good, but took a long position and placing my stop below here. Place my stop here. Hopefully it will not keep going back down. Place my stop there. In case it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. Trader. Took my long position. I flip now. Hopefully that it won't continue back down, because it's possible that we see a continuation down. Trader, let's see. We'll see a continuation down. Let me see. If I see a sign of continuation down, I will jump out of the trade. Let's see. Today we have to correct the mistake yesterday, because yesterday when I was entering, I was just flipping around when I see some kind of rejection, but this day I have to hold on it. Yeah, I'm here with somebody who assisted me, Michael. I want to say thank you for him. Hi, Michael.
Hi.
Okay, one day you guys are going to see Michael. Michael is here, my son. He's assisting me, but you guys are not seeing him at this time, but I will introduce him maybe one day. So he's learning how to trade. So I'll be happy to be with him, introduce you, Michael, maybe next time. You want to become a trader, and we will introduce him, and he will, maybe, who knows, he will is the one who's going to handle, always be here when I'm not ready. in our chat room. So it's good. Gotta learn how to trade, and it's very, very important. A good skill. Good skill. So let's see if we keep going back down. Continuation. Will not like it. Trader. Let's watch. We don't want to give back all our profit. Watching. Want to see our trade going to the 20. Let's watch. Watching. Je suis sorti sur le premier trade. Trader. C'était bon. Nous sommes réentrés sur le long maintenant. Trade. No, this is a resistance. This is a resistance. Okay, start here. We're moving in the right direction. Resistance is here. Please buy trade work. Buy trade work. Yeah. Trade. Trade. We're moving up. Nice. Trader, we're moving in the right direction. With our target here. Target here. Let me see this guy here. Lower my target. Nice. Let's see. Hopefully we don't see rejection. Trader. That is a low high we're looking for. Gotta be careful. I'll prefer to break even here in case it doesn't work instead to take a loss, because I'm already in profit. So if I'm in profit now, the trade come back down, I will adjust my stop here. Trader, I don't want to be in profit and now I have a break even. I don't want to see that. If I come back down, I will break even. That is my plan. Prefer to break even. Yes, please break even. Doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. Take a small loss. It doesn't work. That is my plan. Take a small loss. Not that. I was already in profit. Now I have a losing trade again. I give money back. Now I don't want to see that. Better take, it's better to take a break even. Break even is a good trade as well. Thank you for moving up. Trading is uncertain. Sometimes you see it going up like this, to reverse with the speed. Je suis dans 6 trades sur le long. Chez trader, j'ai changé le sens maintenant. Allons voir. Si je veux là. We are watching the long. Those who took this trade with me for the downside, congratulations. It was a good trade. Congratulations. Want to see our trade Australia Japanese. I don't know what we're going to do right now. We still have open up the Japanese. So let's see. See holding. We hold in here, trader. So Japanese is pushing up, which is great. US Japanese don't want to go up. Want to see US Japanese moving up. Watching. See holding here. Expect US Japanese to move up. See a pullback. Want to see a continuation up. Trader. Let's see. I don't want to see a pullback here. If I see a pullback, I gotta get out of the trade. So Japanese is pulling back, but I know that it might be a retest. Just a retest. Let's hold on a little bit more. So Japanese is pulling back. Great. Great move. Nice. Nice move. Trader. Good. Approaching our resist, our TP. Take profit in some areas. Want to see Australia Japanese moving up here. Australia gonna move. Australia gonna move. Nice. Let's watch. Well, let's see. So let's pull him back. Nice. Great. I already triggered. A trigger on Euro Japanese. I want to trigger also in China. Let's see. Trigger. Great. China, I want to trigger. See a rejection. I see holding. Want to see another push. Australia Japanese pulling back. Want to see Australia Japanese up. I'm not getting out. Trader. I'm still holding. Came to my target and pull back. Let's see. Second attempt. Let's see another attempt here. So Japanese pulling back. Let's see another attempt. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting out here, trader. I'm getting out here, taking this small one. Wasn't bad, even though I lost from this pullback. So I don't know, because Australia already placed these two candle. I prefer taking that small one. It's not bad because I saw the rejection here. So for the lower eyes, it was good. Yeah. So let's see now. Moving a little bit up. watching. We already trade 2 rounds. Was good. We're watching now to see another entry for a short. We're approaching 8. Trade keep going up. It was just a shake. See continuation. We're Japanese doing great. That is what I was expecting, but I went out thoroughly again today. Sorry. It's not easy to hold on the winning trade. Very difficult. Yeah. So teammate trade continue below. That is why sometimes you guys don't need to get out on time. I'm getting out. You can see hold the trade. You know. So we see here Euro Japanese already on the resistance here. I don't know if we're gonna break that resistance and continue up. I don't really know. I don't know. I have to be careful. That was my former stop. So already on the resistance there. Let's see. Need to be careful. We might see a break, a continuation up. We may see it. It's possible. See a break and rejection on Euro Japanese. That could be a very good trade for me, but I jump out earlier. less than in 12 minutes we're gonna reach 8. Let's wait and see. It'll be a very nice trade. Big move. Euro Japanese breaking. Canadian also. Sorry. GBP about to break. Approaching. Since we're approaching 8, we need to be careful. No trade at this time. Unless we see a continuation downtrend. Minutes. Want to see if it's that you gotta keep going, coming down. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going short. Going short, but I won't last. Let's see. Going short here. Just a quick trade. Trader. Go quick trade. It's possible. When the market open at 8, you don't know which direction the market going to take. So, watching here. Watching trader. Here for the short. You may see a reversal. It's possible. Nice. Want to see our trade coming below the 20. Continuation down. Nice. Nice trader. Let's see. Approaching 6 minutes for 8 p.m. Eastern time. Continuation down. Want to see? See a pullback. Now good. Now good to see. Watching. Maybe might just be some kind of pullback. Rebounce. Want to see a continuation down. Australia coming down. Want to see another red candle. Great. We're approaching now. Less than 3. We're pulling back. Not good. A good sign. Nice with a Canadian. Great Canadian. Australia also coming down. Nice with Canadian. Great. Canadian doing great. Want to see all our trade turning red. So now less than 2 minutes here. Eastern time. Nice with a Japanese, Australian Japanese. Want to see Canadian trigger our stop, our TP. Take profit here. Keep going down. It's great. I'm getting out here, trader. Why I'm getting out is because soon it gotta be 8, and I don't know what those trade gonna do. I need to wait 8 p.m. Eastern time to just break even. From the top to the bottom. I see that US Japanese don't want to come down. Australia itself is dizzy. It means we might see a reversal. It's possible, or a flush down. So I don't know what's going to happen in the market. It's better to step out and wait and see what's going to happen before I jump in again. So let's watch. I could have preferred to see a flush here, and this is already 8 p.m. Eastern time. I expect to see a flush. Flush is good, so that we can just jump on it. We see pull back down, it's fine. Otherwise, if you're going to hold here, we'll take a long position. Look like it's holding, but I expect the trade to flush. Watching here. Watching. Look like we're holding at this level. We're holding here, probably. Let's see. Look like we are holding here, trader. Great. I'm in, trader, for long. I'm taking the long position here, trader. Let me see. Because I see it's holding there, and place my stop here. I can place my stop at this level. This one here. And this is a huge one. The huge one, which is not good. That is why I don't like big stops. So let's see. Let's see, trader. In for long. I'm gonna see our trade breaking. It's a very dangerous trade because we're under resistance. It won't be easier to break, but if you break, it will be fine. Trader, watching up for the break. We see a rejection of the order of the trade. Start. Not good. Rejection. Not good. We see a rejection. So hopefully we'll have a break. No. Let's see. Let's be patient and see the break. Because Tokyo is open at 8, so we have more volume. Watching, want to see a break, a continuation up. Nice. Volume is coming in. It's strong here. It's hard to break. Very hard to break. Hard to break. Let me keep holding and see. Nice. We see holding here. So I'm still in for the long because we're holding. So I don't have a reason to jump out yet. Let me see. See holding here for long. Going back down. See holding. Want to see a breakdown, a break up, continuation. No. No. Pushing back down. Pushing down. Okay, trader, I think I can get out here ready. You know, I don't know what we're gonna get right now. Look like we're coming back down. I don't know if buyer gonna step in below there. No. Okay, taking this loss here. Trader, taking the loss. Yep. It's not easy because to have a breakout, it's not easy, trader. So gotta wait and see. my entry. Took a lot there. Let's see now. That was a losing trade. So I'm out now, checking to see. We're still green here. Si sorti de trade. La pète. Nous sommes toujours ouverts. Watching. So we already have a break here, trader. That is a breakdown. So you need to watch that. We're gonna probably have a rejection. Let's see if we have a continuation down. I don't know if it's just a retest or a continuation down. This is very dangerous because we're already above 8 p.m. Taking the trade there for long is dangerous. That level. I think it's just a retest for the continuation down. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see. Gotta have probably continuation down. Yep. So I'm going to go short here, trader. Probably. Let's see. I have probability here for continuation down. I'm waiting to see. So I'm taking the short here again, trader. Think we might have the breakdown. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let me hold this and see. Hopefully, don't have a rejection. And here, I have to place my stop above here, trader. No matter what I'm gonna do here, I'll place my stop above for the continuation down. If you pull back there, I will keep holding the trade. I have a huge stop. Let's see. I'm feeling comfortable taking for the downtrend than going long at this time. So let's see. see a rejection. Japanese breaking. Nice. Want to see a continuation down. Continuation down. Twitter. Australia, want to see Australia breaking to support. See a continuation down. Want to see Australia for going to new lower. We don't want to see a rejection. Australia rejecting. Don't want to see that. Want to see a continuation break, new lower. US Japanese already break. Keep holding here. Sur la carte C-Trade, sur la descente. On espère voir une nouvelle descente. See a lot of hesitation on candle. Don't want to see a rejection like the one we see here in Canadian or GBP. Want to see a continuation down. Nice. So Japanese went down. Want to see China breaking. GBP as well. We're holding our trade. See rejection. See a rejection, trader. Gotta be careful. We have this the other day. We have this the other day. We have to be careful. Want to see our trade keep going down. Because the other day it came like this, some broke here, and now we saw a reversal. We see it went up and break even the resistance. We saw it. So hopefully it will not do the same today. But we gotta be ready for everything. If I see it start pushing up, I gotta get out of the trade. Yeah, I prefer to get out of this trade. Prefer to get out of that trade until I see the break here, because we are here under this level. You know, I know each trade is unique. I need also to be careful when I see some kind of patterns. You know, I know we can continue down. I will not hesitate to jump on it. So I broke even. It's better than start being on the winning trade. Now you find yourself on the huge losing trade. So let me see here, stand here and see what's going to happen. Can get back in. Japanese. This guy already break, and Euro Japanese not yet. Australia Japanese also still rejecting at the support. Very important for Australia Japanese on the support. And we have how many trades here on the support? Approximately 4. Just US Japanese. Even US Japanese here is a support on US Japanese. You gotta be careful here as well. It is support. So all our trade, we are here on the support. Gotta be careful. You're on a big support. If we see now, gonna pull back, take a long position. Here as well, we're on the support. Yep. That is the support. So, sorry. I'm going to go long on Australia Japanese. My first candidate. Japanese, and also all those guys, I'm gonna go long trader. I'm going long. I'm placing my stop below here. Taking a long position. Placing my stop here. And my target, former I put here. My target here. My target. If we keep going down, I'll take a loss. Let's see. There's the possibility to continue down. Continue down. Take a loss. Let's see. Just here retest. Nice move here, trader. Be back. Second. See a small rejection. Well, Japanese doing great here. Australia don't want to see him breaking. Trade came back down. You might experience the continuation down, trader. Not good. Continuation down. Let's see. Still holding here. But really want to keep going down. Trader. Want to see the pullback up. If you break that level, so I'll start looking at our trade for the short. Australia continue down. Watching. See, good move. Nice. Nice trader. Want to see a continuation? Upside continuation. Don't want to see a pullback. Nice. Nice reversal. Nice reversal, trader. I hope we'll see continuation up. Because sometimes it does this and it pull back down. Yep. Give you hope. Now you say yes, this is it. Now everything pull back down, continuation down. With the speed even. So you need to be careful. Watching. Nice reversal. Nice one. Great. Nice. Adjust my take profit. Moving up slowly. want to see a continuation up. Pulling back down. Want to see a continuation up. Nice move on USD Japanese. Nice move, USD Japanese. Australia as well. Was doing great. See, having hard time to move up. Nice move. Great. Adjusting my stop here, my target properly. Moving up, which is great. En train de monter. Pulling back on Australia Japanese. See a rejection. Keep holding here. We're not giving up. Want to see our trade moving to our target. Having a rejection. Let's keep holding, trader. Let's keep holding the trade. No, it's not easy to hold on the winning trade. It's 10 times difficult to hold on the winning trade than the losing one. 10 times. Yes. See, when the trade is going up, as you're going, people are excited. People cannot hold. But if he's going against you, let's say it was your stop, was here. This was the stop. People are going to hold on. Yes, most of the people are going to hold on it. They're not able to get out. They keep holding. But for your trade to go to your target, it's more difficult. Why? Because trade used to pull back. When you pull back like this, you start panicking because you said you lost your, you lost your profit. And it usually happens. Sometimes the trade goes all the way like this, come back down. You lose everything. You're going to regret. You say, well, yeah, if I knew, I couldn't let him come back. So we keep holding here, trader, toward our target. Nice. Nice. Holding. Nice move here, trader. Nice. Keep holding. Australia is doing great. Gonna keep going. Keep going, trader. Keep holding here. Nice. I trigger. I stop on Australia. Japanese. Trigger. Good. Want to see the other guys also. Australia Japanese already hit my my trade, my resistance. Want to see maybe Gotta have a break. Watching. Let's keep holding. Or trader. Keep holding. Watching. Want to see our trade keep going up. Nicely. Trader coming up, down. Not good to see. Keep holding here. Want to see another push. Watching. See a continuation breakout. Keep holding. Okay, I'm taking this one here, trader. Taking that one. Taking this profit here, this level, which is great, for a lower high. Nice trade, trader. Gotta see. Coming down Australia Japanese. USD Japanese. Trade is holding here. I want to see if I can short USD Japanese Australia here. Trader, take a short. Let me take a short here and see. We're going to keep going up. And my stop got to be here. My stop is here above. My stop with these guys got to be here. With Japanese as well. Stop got to be there. With Japanese. Great. So let's see. So let's see now, trader. Moving up. A lot of volatility here. Don't know the direction the market going to take. Market is pushing up. Gotta go for a break. Trader. A lot of volatility. For a break. We'll break. I will now take a loss. Australia Japanese is coming. I'm out of Australia Japanese. Trader. Market is taking the long position. Out. again. Out of two position. I may re-enter anytime. I'll re-enter again. Place my stop above. Let's see. Let's hope to see a continuation down. Approaching a 9. Trader. Continuation down. Want to see US Japanese breaking as well. Nice. See now close to Pro Japanese, close to our TP. Close to our target. Want to see trigger or Japanese? Or Japanese have trigger and also GBP. Don't want to see it pull back. Not good. Australia is pulling back. That is sometimes what used to happen. The trade is just close to your target. It doesn't trigger you. Now it pull back with the speed. Those are the things we don't want to see. You're watching. Don't like to see this. Sometimes when I like this, I take a break even. Yeah. Sometimes I do. I'm gonna get here the break even. Take a break even here, trader. Instead to get a lot losing trade, prefer to take a break even. Because when your trade doesn't work, it's better to break even than having a losing trade. Because we're already down, and I mean up very well, but it's now reversing. See how it came now to my target here. It didn't trigger me. Right. That is how it is. Sometimes you come to your target, it doesn't trigger you. That is why sometimes you see people getting out before. So we're already up here on the resistance, one candle. Means that there is a lot of volume. Watching and see. I don't know if we're gonna break out on the Australia Japanese. See a break. Australia Japanese. If Australia Japanese break here, I will take a long position. It doesn't reject. Coming back down. Nice, we're breaking now on Euro Japanese. don't know if we're going to keep coming down or up like Australia want to break. Australia break here, I'm going to go long all my trade. Now after 9, watching. See Australia Japanese here. Okay. We break here, go break this level here. We're gonna go long. We break this. So look like I'm taking here. This setup. This setup shows if I miss here. Let's see. Place my stop below here. Let's see. If we back down, we'll take a loss. I won't allow it to go all the way down. If it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. Clear? If it don't work out, so take a loss soon. Taking a loss here. On my trade, taking a loss. Fig me. No. Maybe my stop wasn't big enough. I don't know. Came now, kick me out. So let's see. Maybe you gotta see continuation down trend. Probably. Gotta check properly. Wait. Because if this guy could have break here, oh, gotta be fine. I don't want to chase it up again. Gotta see this guy up here. Let me see if I can take these guys for a long again. I try again. Another turn. Let me see. I'm checking these guys also. I see. Who knows? Might have a break because you have a multiple attempt. Multiple attempt there without breaking. Hope that maybe my break this time. I stop here. Stop here. Stop here. So let's see. We're moving up. Let's see. Nice move. Want to see a break on Australia? Want to see a break on Australia? Watching. Good Japanese, great. Moving good. Want to see Euro Japanese. Doesn't want to. Australia is going to break now. If Australia break, gotta be nice. Want to see Australia breaking. Let's see Australia Japanese breaking there. We don't want to see a rejection. Next one. Want to see direct break. Australia Japanese. See him breaking. Now good. What we see here right now. See holding our trade. See holding. See holding. hope we'll see another green candle up. High of the day, of the evening. Want to see Australia breaking. Not easy for a trade to break. Yep. Australia breaking. Finally breaking. Nice break for Australia Japanese. Want to see a continuation up. Trader. Want to see how trade keep moving up. Don't want to see a rejection on Australia. Want to see a continuation up. Really not easy, man. All those movements, they're doing it inside your mind. Gotta learn how to hold it, no matter what. Watching. You're holding here. Australia is breaking very well. Nice break on Australia. Nice break. If Australia break there, most of the trade will follow him. Where Japan will follow also Australia break. Continue up. Yep. Nice. Australia. We see some trade will follow him. Nice trader. Continuation up. You don't want to see a pullback. See holding here. Still dans le C trade. Faut pas avoir le retour. Continuez à arrêter notre trade. Keep holding our trade here for long. Pulling back down. See a retest on Australia. We hope to see a rejection from the low. Now, want to see a rejection from low. Nice rejection. Great. Continuation up. Australia, we're going to continue up. Want to see a good rejection. Our trade have to turn green. Trade must turn green. Nice. So I'm going to continue up. Want to see our trade turning green. Nice move. So it's doing great. Want to see our trade, but it looked like it's hard. US Japanese and the other guy to turn green. Can I break even here? So that Japanese doing great, but the other guy don't follow him. Don't know why. Nice. Australia is doing great. Nice. That is the resistance of Australia Japanese trader. I'm taking here. I'm taking here. That is the resistance of Australia Japanese here. So if I take there, the other guy didn't want to move. Now they're moving now, late. So I breaking even here, top. Okay, let's see. Breaking the high. Wow. Man, I'm feeling FOMO, man. I'm missing out. Feeling big FOMO here. So I break the high of the day. I need to be careful here. I don't want to chase it, brother. US Japanese. I have another resistance here. US Japanese. So trader missed the trade, but you know, scared. But see what happened to me. But it's okay. Sometimes it happen. We're here to learn. I went out earlier. So let's see the reversal. I wait for the reversal here. Wait for the reversal, trader. Wait for the reversal. Wait for the reversal. If there is, we have another resistance here on Australia. So gotta take the reversal here for a short, trader. Let me see. Taking the short there. I don't scare. I have to trade. Yeah. Gotta take short there. Let's see. Hopefully we're not gonna break here. The big one. The break there, I'll be out of the trade with a loss. So let's see. Let's see. So let's see. I'm on the short now. We're gonna experience the continuation up. I don't know. If we drive back down, it will be fine, but otherwise, I'm going to take another loss here. I know I'm against the trend, but I assume that is a resistance here. So that is why I'm going short. If I break, take a loss. So let's see. See trader. Want to see our trade down. Want to see Australia coming down. Did I place my stop on Australia? No, not yet. This is my stop on Australia. Got a hold. Trade. for a short. Let's try pulling back. I appreciate it. Pulling back. But China is holding. Also, Euro Japanese holding. Euro Japanese on a break. I don't have my stop here on this guy. Want to see our trade down. Coming down. Want to see our trade pulling back down. Nice pullback. Want to see where Japanese down. On va voir nos traders descendre. Cher trader, matin. Je suis en train d'arrêter. 6 trades sur le short. Le Japanese est en train de pousser vers le haut. That's what we voir. We don't want to see where Japanese is going up. You're holding here. See the pullback. Now good. Twitter. Not good. Want to see where Japanese pulling back down. Not good here. Trying to break. Hopefully we're going to pull back down because seller will take control. Want to see another candle? Yep, nice. Candle will come down. Want to see seller taking control of the trade. Buyers are still in control here. Not good. Buyers are still in control. Want to see buyer get higher and move out. And see seller jumping in. Buyer are still in control here. don't know if we're going to take a loss on this trade, trader. It's not something I want to see, but if it happens, we'll take it. Trader. Approaching our stops. USD Japanese. Almost out of USD Japanese. Not good. Buyers are still in control here, trader. I'm out of USD Japanese with a loss, trader. Oh, so buyer now here are in control of our trade. So we're out of the trade with a loss, trader. Not good. Not good to see. See a break here. Breakout. So, but you gotta be careful because sometimes breakout rejection come back down. So, a lot of problems sometimes. That is how trading is about. Sometimes, you know, you see a very big wall like this one, but they break it. This is the wall. They broke it, you know. So, what can you say? Nothing. The big wall, but they broke it. So, it's difficult to know what's going to happen next. Let's put this one here and see if it's moving up. See if you can jump on it. Let's see. Approaching 10. Trader. I'm taking a long position here. Let's see. See what I see. Because sometimes it come up like this now, reject at this level. Come back down. I'll be getting out of the trade here. I don't want to give in too much. Just stay with those two. Or it might be just a retest. Australia, let me take Australia here. Let's see. When you jump on a trade, that is the time you start pulling back. So it's doing great. Okay, I think I'm going out here and I keep my trade. You know, it's better to keep a small green day than having a losing, losing day. Trader, I'm gonna stop like this. Today I fought a lot. Was a battle. No, I prefer to go with a small, green day is green day. No matter how much you made, but it's better to keep the green day because now I don't know what's going to happen now. I prefer now the approaching 10. I think I tried today. It wasn't easy, as you can see. This is a real battle. The battle between you and the market. So, but it's good though to always come here and try, because practice makes perfect. As you're practicing, that is how you become, perfect. You gotta take us a long way, but we'll get there, trader. No matter what's going to happen, every day, single day, we gotta show up. That is the most important part. The outcome. We gotta make sure we're trading properly. But today it was a little bit better than yesterday. No, it was a little bit better than yesterday. So I want to thank you guys who tuned in today with us. Very grateful. Tomorrow we gotta be here again at 7 p.m. Eastern time. We can start before 7. And I wish you having a good time, man. Merci beaucoup. Je vais m'arrêter à ce niveau. J'ai fini la journée légèrement vert. Bon, c'est pas grand chose, mais néanmoins c'est important. Voilà, c'est important. Donc, ça s'est un peu amélioré par rapport à hier, la façon dont j'ai tradé hier. Aujourd'hui, c'est un peu mieux. Content qu'hier, mais nous espérons nous revoir demain chez Trader à la même heure, 19h. Passez de bons moments et à nous revoir. Merci. Goodbye, Trader.